Are you looking for best rollator walkers with seat? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best rollator walkers with seat on the market today. We'll be discussing the pros and cons of each walker so that you can make an informed decision before you're purchasing one. So let's get started. List number Pro Basics Aluminum Rollator Walker with Seat. The Pro Basics Aluminum Rollator Walker with Seat is a perfect choice for seniors, elderly, and handicapped individuals. The large 8-inch wheels with wheel locks enable you to easily maneuver the walker through any room and on any surface. This rolling walker is lightweight and easy to push. 4-wheel design, it is also suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Our rollator walker for seniors is a great way to help seniors live independent, downtown, busy lives. The rollator doubles as a folding walker or transport wheelchair, as the patient can have a seat while being pushed. Features include height-adjustable, lockable handbrakes, and a fold-down footrests, making transportation an easy job. It comes with large 8-inch wheels with wheel locks that allow you to easily maneuver around furniture, curbs, or uneven terrain. Walkers comes with large 8-inch wheels with wheel locks. Walker folds up easily for storage or travel, with lockable handbrakes that are easy to operate. List 2. Oasis Space Aluminum Rollator Walker with Seat. Our Oasis Space Aluminum Rollator Walker with Seat is an advanced, lightweight walker that supports your upper body and distributes weight evenly to prevent back pain. Its soft padded seat conforms to the shape of your body while providing support. Keep your house clean with this convenient helper standing by. The walker with 10-inch front wheels provides better stability and security when you rolling on the rollator uneven surfaces. Truly easy to assemble. It will take you 15 minutes to assemble by yourself. Easy pull-up strap on seat makes it quick to fold up and put in car. Compared with rollators with 8-inch wheels, our product can better accommodate rough or soft ground, such as lawn, sand, forest, etc. The 2-size wheel system is much easier to push over any surface, including floors and carpets. The unique folding design allows you to adjust the width of the rollator. It permits you to navigate narrow spaces. List 9. Medline Rollator Walker with Seat. The Medline Rollator features a padded seat that allows the user to sit and rest, and smooth rolling 6-inch wheels that are great for indoor or outdoor use. Easily fold the Medline Steel Rollator Walker for convenient transport and storage. The Medline Rollator weighs 19 pounds, and its compact size makes it easy to store in a closet or underbed while keeping space clear in your car. The rollator weighs 19 pounds and easily folds into a transportable storage bag under the seat. This Medline Rollator Walker with Seat, 31 inches handle grip to 35 inches handle grip, allows users to choose the length that's ideal for their needs. The seat adjusts from 22.5 inches to 29.5 inches. Their user is included in the manual that contains detailed instructions on how to properly adjust the rolling walker. List number: Drive Medical Aluminum Rollator Fold Up and Removable Back Support. The rollator with seat is a stylish and modern aluminum rollator that doubles as a rolling walker. The durable frame, padded seat and backrest, and spacious storage pouch are all crafted from lightweight aluminum for durability and strength, while soft grip tires ensure an easy ride in carpeted indoor or outdoor spaces. The removable hinged backrest allows you to fold it up for easy storage when not in use. Perfect for traveling and everyday use. The portable rollator weighs just 14 pounds and can support 300 pounds of weight capacity. Its height-adjustable lever allows you to quickly adjust the height of the ergonomic handles, and 7.5-inch wheels allow you to easily maneuver in most environments. Our portable aluminum rollator with seat is an easy-to-use walker with a modern design. The portable walker is built for portability with its lightweight design, 7.5-inch wheels and rubber tires, which make it easy to transport. Its ergonomic handles allow you to easily adjust the height of the handlebars so that you can comfortably move around, even at higher levels of user comfort. List 9. Medline Premium Empower Rollator Walker with Seat. The Medline Premium Empower Rollator Walker with Seat provides a comfortable, easy way to get around. This rolling walker features an extra-wide memory foam seat that swings up and out of the way when you want more space to walk. It also includes a wider padded deck, cup holders, removable underseat storage bag, easy-to-use locking brakes, and brightly marked adjustment points. The Rollator adjusts easily for users from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 4 tall. The seat flips up so you can step inside the walker for greater support that lets you stand up close to tables, countertops, and sinks. With the Medline Premium Empower Rollator Walker from Medline, you can increase your mobility, independence, and comfort. With an easy-to-fold design, large 8-inch wheels, and an easy-to-use locking brake system, this rollator walker makes it simple to move around all day long. Features include a thicker cushioned backrest for added cushioning, adjustable seat height, cup holders, and more.